Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my last video, we saw that the price action of Bitcoin on the daily time frame chart broke down the support of the triangle and was trying to break out the previous support of the triangle as a resistance. And now you can see that the price line has broken out the support, the previous support of the triangle as a resistance, and even it has also broken out the previous resistance of the triangle as well. So in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will continue its move to the upside or it will be moved down from here. And before we continue with the analysis, I would request you, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this triangle. And we can see that the price line was moving very well between the resistance and the support of this triangle. And here, the price line broke down the support that was in fact a fake out. And we can see that we had a really very weak candlestick, the weak bearish candlestick, and the price line moved to the upside. You can see that this is a very important level that is approximately at $30,000. In close to the $30,000 we are observing whenever the price line is moving close to this level, the price action is moving to the upside. We have a lot of buying orders here. Now the price line has broke out this previous resistance of the triangle, and it is likely to retest the previous resistance as a support. And technically it can be an ideal situation to change the game completely from here, because after this perfect retest, if we will have a perfect retest here, the price line can turn really very extreme bullish. And we have already seen that previously the price action after this week, when we had this bearish candlestick that broke down the support, the price action also was forming a falling wedge pattern as well. Like previously I told you in my previous video, that now we can have a falling wedge pattern that is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And you can see that the price action has broke out the resistance of this falling wedge. Now technically our next target can be the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately here, that is $43,000 approximately. And we are also having nice volume on the 4-hourly chart, not on the daily time frame chart. If I switch to the 4-hourly candlestick, then here we can see that we have a nice buying volume that is enough to change the trend on the short-term time frame chart from bearish to bullish. Now to show you the power of bulls or the buying here, I would like to place the volume oscillator indicator here. That is really very cool indicator and very useful to watch the power of buying or sell volume. And we can see that this is the volume indicator, and here you can watch the values. If I place the cursor here, the mouse here, then you can see that the value is approximately 17. That is enough to change the trend on the short term. And if I switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that we had the buying volume oscillation. The power of buying volume was 6.57. That is not a powerful buying volume on the daily time frame chart. However, you can see that after a long time period, after 26th of May, now finally this volume oscillator has moved in the positive territory. Before that it was moving in a negative territory, and now maybe it will be triggered more, it will be moved more up, and we will have more buying volume. However, if we will have a follow-up of the buying volume, like for example, if we will not have such powerful buying oscillator will be triggered here, and we will have daily buying volume with this oscillation or in the positive territory, that can also start a bullish divergence from here. Now I want to show you one more thing, that even though we have broken out this resistance of the previous triangle and the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well, there is another resistance level at $40,000. For example, if I place this trend line at the $40,000, then we can see that the price action has been rejected again and again from this level. Not the $40,000, it is $39,500. That will be more appropriately. We can see whenever the price action is moving at this price level resistance of $39,500, it is getting rejected here, here, and now it is moving toward this rejection level or resistance level again. So we should be cautious here, because if the price action will be rejected, then we can expect another retest of the previous resistance of this triangle as a support of, or this falling wedge resistance again. However, this time we can expect that the price action can move up to make another attempt to break out $39,500 price level, resistance level here. And this can be a really, really game-changing move, because if once we will have breakout from this resistance level, that I want to show you very, very important thing here, that after breaking out this resistance level, we don't have any significant resistance up to this level that is approximately $50,000, and we can see that previously it has been breaking as a nice support. So once the price line will break out on the daily time frame chart, we will have a closing above this level of $39,500, then we can expect an imminent move up to $50,000, and in case of breakout this level as well, price action can easily move to that $60,000. Therefore, I'm saying this move, I'm calling this move as a game-changing move once the price action will break out this resistance. We have a successful breakout from this resistance. Now it is retesting the previous resistance as a support, but the final breakout will be this one, that is $39,500. And on the weekly time frame chart, we have already observed that the price action is getting bounced by this support of $30,000. Whenever it is getting close to this support level, we are having nice move to the outside the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud. This is really very important indicator to determine the upcoming bearish or bullish moves, and we can see that the Ichimoku cloud is still showing us a bullish cloud. The cloud has been not turned so far to the bearish, like previously it was turned bearish here after the bull run of 2017 and after the bull run of 2013 as well. This was the bull run of 2013. We can see that it was showing us a bearish trend, upcoming bearish trend here, but so far we are not having any upcoming indication of the bearish trend by the Ichimoku cloud. Therefore, on the long term, we are very bullish, and we will be very bullish. However, on the short term, we are bearish, and we are trying to get out from this bearish trend. And today you can see that the price action has also broken out this EMA 10 on the daily time frame chart after a long time period. And if we will have a breakout from this EMA 21 as well, this red one, then it can also lead the price action to break out the EMA 21 weekly as well. And currently EMA 21 weekly is at $43,000 approximately. And once we will cross this level, definitely if the price action will hit the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $43,000. That is exactly at the same level where we have this EMA 21 weekly. That will be a very strong resistance at the 43,000. However, on the daily time frame chart, if we watch the price level resistance levels, then we don't have any significant resistance up to this $50,000. Therefore, I'm expecting that it can easily cross up the EMA 21 weekly once it will be able to break out this really very important price level resistance at $39,500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.